Hello people on YouTube, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be doing something I never really did before on this channel, which is how to download any paid game on the Play Market and on the App Store for free. Basically, there's two ways of doing it, and both of them are equally as good. And today we're gonna try it with Geometry Dash. And the first thing you want to do is go on Google Chrome or on your browser and type in Geometry Dash Full APK. And as you see here, we go on this link here. Most of them here are ripoffs and scams, and basically they'll give you viruses and they're no good. But this one is checked, and I got my Geometry Dash from here, and it works just fine. And basically, then you click on download, and it will automatically download. Now let me show you that it's not a ripoff and that I'm not trying to make a joke here. Here's my Geometry Dash. Everything is quite legit. I got all the levels the full version has. I got all the features that the full version has. Everything. And to prove it to you even more, I'm gonna go on the Play Store and I'm gonna search for Geometry Dash, and as you see, I already have it, Geometry Dash, though I didn't buy it. Now the second way of doing it will be to go on DuckDuckGo. This is a little bit more complicated. So you go on DuckDuckGo. It will be better. It's not necessary, but it will be better if you go on DuckDuckGo. And you search for the Pirate Bay.com.ac. That's correct. And then you search for it. Remember guys, .com.sc. All the other ones are scams. This is the only one legit. That is legit. Now you go in here and you type Geometry Dash, basically, and you see all those ads here. They're viruses. All they're trying to do is infect your phone and use it for mining purposes and things like that. Now you search for Geometry Dash Full, and as you see, I got one torrent here, and yeah, this is how it works. But for that to happen, to download games from the Pirate Bay, you need BitTorrent, which allows you to download and install torrents. Basically, I didn't download anything yet, so once you download things and you install them, they'll appear here. And thank you guys for watching. That's about it for the video. If you find this video helpful, you could subscribe for more of these videos, comment down below what you want to see, and like. And goodbye.